Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series about polynomial functions. No? And in this video ay i-discuss natin yung formal definition ng polynomial function. Nako, baka masya kayo dito, no? Kaya nakalagay don't panic kasi explain ko naman yan isa-isa. It's not as hard as it looks, no? So mukha lang siyang nakakatakot pero actually madali lang yan, no? Explain ko isa-isa, just wait for a while. So sabi natin, a polynomial function is in x, no? Is defined by the equation y equals a sub n x to the n plus a sub n minus 1 x to the n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x to the n minus 2 plus and so on plus a sub 1 x and then plus a sub 0. No? So where n is a non-negative integer, no? And the coefficient a sub n minus 1, a sub n minus 2, all the way to a sub 0, no? Are real numbers and a sub n not equal to 0. Now, ano ba ibig sabihin niya, no? Yung mga symbols na yan. Well, kung titignan nyo yung condition natin, yung a sub n, no? Tsaka yung a tsaka yung subscript niya, for example. Ano ba yung mga yan? Yung a sub n minus 1, a sub n minus 2, a sub 1, a sub 0. These are just, no? These are just real numbers. No? Yung mga ito, this one, this one, this one. These are just numbers. No? Mga numbers lang naman yung mga yan. So, 5, for example, 7, negative 3. So, these are just numbers. Tapos yung nasa taas, syempre, yung exponent ng x. These are, no? These are exponents. No? Of course, ang exponent nitong x natin dito ay 1. Sabi niyan is 1. And of course, yung dito, kung lalagyan natin ng x, yan, magiging 0 yan, di ba? 0 exponent. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Ano ibig sabihin nito mga to? These are just x, no? X arranged in decreasing exponent. So, nagdi-decrease yung exponent natin. Dito, no? So, yung a sub n, tsaka mga a sub n minus 2, these are numbers. And yung n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, up to 0 are just integers, no? N is a non-negative integer, which are exponents, no? Of the terms, no? So halimbawa, bigyan natin ng example, no? So example 1, y equals 2x plus 3. No? So, ilan yung ano natin? Ano yung pinaka ilan ang pinakamataas natin? Ano ang degree natin kung ba pinakamataas na exponent? This is just an equation with degree 1. Ibig sabihin yung pinakamataas na exponent natin ay 1. So, ibig sabihin, wala itong mga terms na to. So, dito, this is just y equals a sub 1, x sub 1, plus a sub 0. No? So, remember, yung a natin, yan yung coefficient. No? These are, by the way, the coefficients. Real numbers, which are coefficients. So, here, we have a sub 1. No? This is a sub 1. Ano ang coefficient ng x, which is a sub 1? 2. No? And then yung a sub 0 natin ay positive 3. Nagigets nyo? So these are just numbers, no? And of course, yung n natin, yung exponent natin dito is 1. So we are just having this term. Now for pag meron tayong, this is a linear, no? Linear function. If we have a quadratic function like y equals ax squared, y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, kunwari. Okay? So, ano naman ang ano naman ang equation natin dito? Ano ang highest exponent natin? Remember, we can have as high as exponent as high we can have higher exponents, no? So here the highest exponent is 2. Ibig sabihin yung ating pinaka general equation natin dito is y equals a sub 2 x squared plus a sub 1 x sub 1 plus a sub 0, no? So ang x squared, ang a sub 2 natin ay here our a sub 2 is 3, no? Remember, plus lahat yan. So, dapat maging plus din lahat to. So, we know that minus 2x is the same as plus negative 2x. This is plus negative 2x. Then we can say that our a sub 1 natin ay negative 2. And then, ang a sub 0 natin ay 4. So that's another example. Now, we can have another example for cubic. So nakikita nyo, numbers lang, di ba? Yung a sub n minus 1, a sub n minus 2, a sub 1, a sub 0. These are just coefficients of the terms, no? So another example would be 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5, kunwari. Okay? So, this is the highest exponent is 3. So, ang pinaka-general equation natin ay y equals a x cubed. So, usually, kung ano yung number dito, yun din ang exponent natin, di ba? N. Tapos, n dito, n minus 1. This is n minus 1. Just to distinguish the terms, no? Plus a sub 2 x squared plus a sub 1 x to the first power, no? And then plus a sub 0, no? So ano ang a cube not a cube but a sub 3? Here a sub 3 is equal to 3, di ba? What is a sub 2? Meron ba tayong x squared dito? Meron, nakikita ba kayong x squared? Wala, di ba? So ibig sabihin 0x squared, wala tayong ganyan term. So, we can write 0. Diba? And then, we have a sub 1. Yung may exponent na 1. This is 2x. So, this is 2. And we have a sub 0. Ito yung a sub 0 natin, minus 5 or plus negative 5. So, this is minus 5 or negative 5. Okay? So, I think these are enough examples, no? Yung a sub n minus 1, a sub n minus 2 are coefficients. Itong mga to ay decreasing exponents. So kung mapapansin niyo ang nilalagay natin dito is we write the polynomial such that the exponents are decreasing. So kung meron tayong hindi decreasing yung exponent, we have to rearrange it, no? So I think we can have one more example before we end. So, for example, meron tayong y equals x to the 4th minus 5x and 2 plus x squared minus x to the 4th. So, decreasing ba yung exponent? No. So, we can rearrange it para makuha natin yung mga values dito. So, we can have negative x to the 4th. Kasi minus siya eh. Plus x squared plus 2. No? So, ano ang pinaka malaking exponent natin? We have 4, di ba? So, we have a sub 4 x to the 4th plus a sub 3 x cubed plus a sub 2 x squared plus a sub 1 x plus a sub 0, no? So anong number dito sa x to the 4th? Anong a sub 4 natin? That's negative 1, di ba? Ang a sub 3 natin, meron ba kayo nakikitang x cubed dito? Wala, di ba? So a sub 3 is 0. Tapos yung squared, we have again 1. A sub 2 is equal to 1. And then a sub 1, may nakikita ba kayong x? Wala, di ba? So a sub 1 is equal to 0. And then a sub 0 is equal to 2. Okay? So na-identify natin yung mga ito, no? And of course, we already have the exponents, so hindi na natin kailangan identify because they're already here, no? So ito yung exponents natin are already given here. Okay? So dito, ang exponent lang natin meron lang a 4, ang 2, which is this one, no? At saka yung 0, which is this part here. So wala tayong ganito, wala tayong term na ganyan, no? Kaya hindi siya nag-appear dito because our a sub 3, no? Our a sub 3 and a sub 2 are both 0. No? This is 3, baka malito kayo. Okay, so these are just numerical coefficients. These are exponents, and the exponents are arranged in decreasing order, no? So I hope meron kayong napulot dito sa ating video, and I hope naintindihan nyo ibig sabihin ng ating formal definition ng function. Of course, yung n natin can be any non-negative integer, no? Pag negative yan, hindi na yan polynomial function. So it can either be 0, yung katulad dito, or it can be a positive integer, no? Of course, we can have n which are very large, no? For example, 2x to the 1000, it's still a polynomial function. Okay, so wala naman tayong limit dito, basta ang pinaka-limit lang yan is non-negative integer siya. No? So hindi siya fraction, hindi siya decimal, hindi siya irrational number, and dapat hindi siya negative. Okay, so I think that's it. Hopefully ay naintindihan nyo ang paliwanag, no? Hopefully hindi magulo. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.